Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create sites on Bitrix24, so let's get right into it. Now, Bitrix24 is used for managing your business. You can do a couple of different things, such as manage your tasks and projects, manage your CRM, and you can also create sites and marketing campaigns for your business, depending on what you need. Now, if you go to sites and stores, here you'll see that you can create your site over here, which is used through Bitrix24 sites, and it only takes a couple of minutes, and you can also use Copilot with it, which I do not prefer, but you can use it if you wish to use AI. Now, what you can do to create your site is just click on create, either here if you don't have any sites, or click create right next to sites, and you'll be able to enter the site creator. Now you can select an empty template, which is free to use. You can select a web agency template, business template. You can select whichever template you want from here. Some are paid, some are free. Most of them, as you can see, are free. So I'm just going to create one, for example, for a web agency. Once you select the template, it'll open it up just like this. You can also open it up on mobile devices if you want to manage how it looks on mobile, but that is completely up to you. And as you can see, once you select the template, you can go ahead and click create a site. And once that's done, it'll, well, first pop up this here pop-up, and as you can see, it's creating the site. And once this is done, your site template will be completed, and then from there on, you can start editing the template to your specifications if you want it. And as you can see, the site has been created. Just click open site, and it's going to take me over to the site view. Just accept the terms, and as you can see, it's loading the site currently, and once it loads up, here you can go ahead and edit your site however you want. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.